The IFA Awards were held in Thailand recently.
But आपने ये वाला देखा था? It was giving me such Star Parivar Award feels. It was so weird. And God knows why the turnout was so low.
Because I guess they were recovering from watching Race 3.
Roshni, their business is their business. And it's none of our business. Deep shit.
Before this one throws more dialogues from her favorite movie,
Absolutely.
let's get into this week's episode of
Crush or Crash?
So, Kriti Sanon, उपाला ऐसे लग रहा है ये भी डिज्नी मूवी की कोई प्रमोशन चल रही थी या डिज्नी मूवी की शूटिंग चल रही थी, वहाँ से सीधा उठ के आ गई है. Also like her dress feels like it's made up of some serious सोफा का कपड़ा. Like this is actual पर्दा और सोफा का कपड़ा. मेरे घर में है ऐसा एकदम same to same. It's really thick. I mean I like the silhouette. Of course the color is also nice, but the fabric's really like, you know, it's killing the whole softness of the, you know, kind of the dress that she's wearing. I mean, she's a stunner. She looks good in whatever she wears, but I have major issues with her dress right now. What do you think?
Same. I mean, I like how she's done her hair, her makeup's beautiful, the accessory is nice. I really want to take out Kriti from that gown because that gown is making her look so bad. And itna hard fabric is so, like, it's killing it for me. And even the, like, this whole detailing on the neck is a little too much. It is almost like she's come out from that Beauty and the Beast movie. You were right. She does look like, yeah, the belle. And she looks like a belle made of sofa covers. So, Kriti Grover, a very bad choice. Crashing the look. On the other hand, now this is a complete stunner.
It's a red carpet look.
Yeah, this is wonderful. She's wearing a Gaurav Gupta, and again, it's styled by Sukriti Grover. Love the white on her, the contrasting lip color, the sleek hairdo, the detail of it's a statement piece. But it's I don't know, for me it's working. Like I like the partial sheerness of the thing. I love how it's actually hugging her body, the contrast with the lip color, the sleek hair, and that interesting detail on the bottom. Roshni, I'm not a big fan of fish cut, but after a very long time, I'm liking it. Like, this is a beautiful moment, not something I'll make fun of.
Upala, Bengali saying she's not very fond of a fish cut is very strange. But
much bhalobashi, much cut bhalobashi na.
But yes, you're right. And from Belle to a sexy mermaid over here, she looks 10 on 10. I love the color on her. I love the fit. I love the, like you said, the ruffle detail on the bottoms, just adding that extra fun to a glamorous outfit otherwise. The hair is just beautiful. She's also giving me a very Deepika Padukone vibe.
Yeah, like slightly towards it.
Yeah.
The resemblance.
And I think there's no going wrong in this. It's just a perfect red carpet outfit for a gorgeous girl like her. Beautiful outhouse jewelry. It's 10 on 10. There's nothing I don't like about everything in this look.
It's like effortlessly hot and just the apt amount of sheerness that you can see a little bit of skin, but it's hidden. So yeah, perfect. It's amazing. Perfect. Good job, Sukriti. It's a crush.
So, Shraddha Kapoor. Upala, मैंने athleisure सुना था, मुझे ये bathleisure लग रहा है. बाथरूम में फोटो कौन लेता है यार, श्रद्धा?
आपने एक चीज नोटिस की है? इसका पोज आपको किसकी याद दिला रहा है?
Of course, the iconic Upalana pose.
But see, it looks like, you know, she'll turn around, take an entire turn with her neck and come back in front.
Exactly. And while she turns around, I wish she cuts a bit of the length from her overflowing gown. Because I really like the upper part.
Yeah.
I wish it was a short knee length or maybe slightly a mini dress like that. But the length, the volume at the bottom is just killing the whole look. I mean, I love Reem Akra, I love the designer. Tanya Ghavri styled her, but she didn't seem to consider what is Shraddha Kapoor's height. Because she's like, it's literally like the gown is wearing Shraddha because it's hardly, you can hardly see. Thank God, like I said, the upper bit is still, like you can see some skin, but the rest of the outfit is just so blah.
Like, according to me, I love the color. The pink is really nice, contrasting with the red. Firstly, I want to know, was fairy tale the theme of it? Even she looks like some snow, like she's out from that Snow White phase just right before she wanted to eat that apple. She chose to come to the bathroom and click a picture on the bathtub.
She's Alice in Lost Wonderland.
Yeah, so I have a problem with no effort put other than just the gown. I like the gown. Shraddha Kapoor is looking beautiful. The color is really fresh. but the hair is like, what? No accessory, nothing. And why is there a picture of her sitting on a bathtub, looking and finding somebody, which I do generally.
Which she does generally. You can totally.
I mean, I crashed myself when I did that, so I'm definitely not being nice to her here.
It's a crash.
So blah, it's a crash. Okay, I kind of like this. She is wearing a Polika official dress.
Which also looks like a Dior copy.
I know. Let's not be that severe here.
Well, let's be Diet Prada then.
Yeah, but I honestly forget about it being a knockoff. Let's not go there. But I really like how Shraddha looks in it. Very young look, sexy yet very elegant. Love the length. It's a very risky length with somebody who's not very tall.
It's a very elegant.
Yeah, but this length kind of works for her. It's actually making her look taller. The whole attitude is coming across. Love the hair, sleek look. I don't know, this look is very light and pleasant on my eyes. So I'm completely crushing on this look, and I personally love white.
See, I love the dress. I like the color. I love how she's looking. But I'm still going to crash it because it's a copy of Dior.
I'll crush it because she's looking gorgeous, and that's fine. She looks nice.
मेरा नाम चिन चिन चू चिन चिन चू बाबा चिन चिन चू रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो मिस्टर हाउ डू यू वाह वाह
अब थीम चेंज हो गई है फ्रॉम फेरी टेल्स टू सर्कस. तो आज ये टेंट बन के आई है. ओह माय गॉड, ये लिटरली टेंट का कपड़ा है. I think at the moment I said टेंट का कपड़ा है ना, I'm sure सबने इमेजिन भी किया सर्कस पे वो जो you have those rods and you have decoration. She looks like that.
अच्छे से इमेजिन कर लिया है. एंड कि कहीं किसी की नजर रह ना जाए, इट्स ऑल्सो कलर ब्लॉकिंग. लाइक एक तो सुबहान अल्लाह इतने रफल्स हैं उसके ऊपर, इट्स कलर ब्लॉकिंग एंड द कलर्स आर सो jarring to my eyes that I wish. And उर्वशी राउतेला तो I mean अगर वो एक स्ट्राइप भी ऊपर से और नीचे से निकाल के पहन लेती है, I mean she's very comfortable in wearing skimpy clothes. Why is she wearing so many clothes? And
that's not clothes, that's fabric. पूरी थान उठाओ और लपेट लो.
और बस लपेट लो. You can't wear a green carpet wearing this unless you've been forced to.
It has to be on a gunpoint. I'd rather die.
On a gunpoint.
And then you'd rather die. You actually choose to die than do this to yourself.
But I can't be caught dead in this as well.
I honestly want to do this Friends scene when she's like, oh my god, my eyes. Okay, this is
Urvashi
horrendous, horrible, ridiculous. It should not be called an outfit. I can go on and on. Let's come to her makeup. Winged eyeliner, dark lips, 60s के बुफों वाले बाल. पता नहीं क्या ही था. कौन ही स्टाइलिस्ट है,
बट एरा में चले गए आप उर्वशी रौतेला, और आशिक नहीं बनाया आपने. So
बिल्कुल भी नहीं बनाया.
Big crash.
Radhika Apte, the woman from Lust Stories. वैसे आपने मूवी देखी है?
Amazing, loved it, loved her role, love her. I love her in any film, in all her films actually.
Yeah, in fact even I loved her bit in it.
Yeah.
But I will have to differ here when it comes to her clothes. Acting आती है, but stylist बुलाना पड़ेगा. She's wearing an अमित अग्रवाल, पर मुझे honestly लग रहा है ये लाजपत नगर से खरीदा है. पता है, it's so like it looks very tacky is the word.
किसी चीज को नील में डाल दिए.
इंक नहीं गिर जाती.
हाँ, इंक गिर गई है इसके ऊपर actually. I mean, you're a stunning woman. तुम पजामा भी पहन के आ जाओगी कहीं भी.
She's hot. She is hot.
And with that kind of attitude that she has, and she's one of those people who knows her style, but sometimes forgets it.
Everything about this outfit is so bad. Everything.
Be it the length or the cut.
Even the place where it's actually hugging her, the slimmest part. Why is it so low? Like. Yeah. The torso is long, her legs are looking shorter. It should always be the other way around. Then I can actually see the seam line, the stitch line on the gown. You never wear a gown. You always go for a circle gown, like a full circle gown. Like it's called a full skirt. ये seam line वाला काम ना वो टेलर जी कपड़ा बचाते हैं ना, ये वो वाला काम है. I'm so sorry. Makeup is so dull when you're wearing such an electric blue. Why not go a little more bright? She's looking dull.
Very dull.
Tired.
The color's not doing anything for her. The cut's not doing anything for her. The length is not working. Hair and makeup is blah. It was actually a Star Parivar award and not IFA.
उजाला हाँ हाँ. नीली लग रहा है पूरा. So sorry, crash.
Guys, we really tried hard to pick a crush of the week, but we just couldn't land on a common decision.
Honestly, Roshni, the only thing I loved about this award function was Rekha Ji's performance. It was gorgeous.
Yeah, that can totally be our crush of the week. You guys let us know in the comment section below which was your crush of the week.
And for more styling tips and news on celebrity looks, tune into Pockets of Fashion.
Bye.